Let's open it! Hello, this is Isa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is going to be an unboxing, first impression, and review for this curling iron. It is a 5-in-1 diamond tourmaline ceramic interchangeable curling iron. So for the front, it looks like this. You'll get to have these 5 attachments. And in the back, it looks like this, and it actually says here what you are going to get, and it's going to be a diamond tourmaline ceramic interchangeable curling iron, and then there's heat protective glove, there's 2 hair clips, there's Parwin Pro style guide, 1-year warranty, and a special offer. So just in case you are interested and you are thinking of buying this product, I will put the link below. So without further ado, let's get on the video. OMG, I'm actually really excited to try this. Ooh. So the bag, it actually says the brand. Ooh. Let's open it! And here we have a guide, thank you card, a glove. Ooh. It's really nice because they actually put the brand name to it. We have 2 hair clips. This one. And then the 5 attachments. It's actually really tight. First, we have this one. Oh my gosh, so the ceramic is actually glittery and it's so cool. It's so pretty. Second attachment is this. Third, fourth, and fifth. It's so pretty. I really like that it's so glittery. So now I'm going to curl my hair, and I actually don't know what attachment I will use. So since I have a short hair, I will choose this. So I'm done doing the right side, and now I am doing the left side. it's done! So now I'm actually gonna use this Suave Extra Hold so that my hair will stay curly for a reasonable time. So this is the final result. I actually think that I really didn't do good curling my hair because it is short, but for the curling iron itself, I actually really like it because you get to have 5 attachments that you can choose to curl your hair, and it has different sizes, and I choose the size that I think is better for my hair since it is short. And I actually really do recommend this product. I think it's a really good product, especially for the price. And if you're interested of buying this product, please check the description and I will put the link below. So that's it. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. Bye! Hello friends, so I already gathered all the names who entered to my makeup giveaway, who liked my page, who subscribed to my YouTube channel, who commented to every video that I uploaded to my YouTube channel, and to those people who shared my Facebook page posts. And these are all the names, and I already entered them to this website, namepicker.net, and I gathered 232 names, and I am about to pick one person who won my makeup giveaway, and the person is Backlin Girl. Congratulations!